This is Group 2's concrete beam testing. Team members are Clarissa Dubs, Ethan Francisco, AYANA Johnson, and BELINA Nguyen. Here we see Clarissa load up the unreinforced concrete beam with a cross-section of 2 inches by 2 inches and a length of 40 inches. The bucket weighs 1.8 pounds and each brick weighs 4.2 pounds. We quickly ran out of space on the bucket and had to load the beam directly with the bricks. We would amass 18 bricks on this non-reinforced beam and it would break under a load of about 75.6 pounds. Due to a lack of any wire or mesh, the beam broke into multiple parts in a brittle state. All of our beams, whether wire, mesh, or non-reinforced, have the same standard of a cardboard formwork and a 2 inch by 2 inch cross-section. In this recording, Ethan loads 18 bricks into the mesh reinforced concrete beam. A few hours later. In this clip, we can see that under a load of around 79 pounds, the beam will deflect and go under lateral torsional buckling before snapping. Now it's time for our final test, where we use 3 steel wires in the same standard formwork of the concrete beam. Surprisingly, this attempt would actually yield the weakest result of the concrete beam. Some factors that could have played into this weaker result may be not having a proper water to aggregate ratio for our concrete, or not letting the concrete cure enough. In slow motion, we see that the beam goes through lateral torsional buckling and breaks similarly to the wire mesh beam. Here we have an aftermath image of the test showing that this wire beam could only sustain 51 pounds, broke under lateral torsional buckling, and could only hold 11 bricks. This has been Concrete Group 2's amazing presentation. Hope you enjoyed and learned something.